Colin Morgan is an Irish actor. He is known for playing the title character in the BBC fantasy series Merlin, Leo Elster in Humans, and Billy Clanton in Kenneth Branagh's Belfast. Morgan attended Integrated College Dungannon, winning the Denis Rooney Associates Cup for Best Overall Student in the third year, before gaining a National Diploma in Performing Arts from the Belfast Institute of Further and Higher Education in 2004. He graduated from the Royal Scottish Academy of Music and Drama in 2007. Outside of acting, Morgan has narrated a BBC Northern Ireland series called The Chronicles, focused on different regions of Northern Ireland, with projects spanning from 2018 to 2024. His parents are Branagh, a nurse, and his father is a painter and decorator. Morgan's career highlights include a blend of significant roles in theatre, television, and film, earning him recognition and awards for his contribution to the arts. Morgan was discovered by theatre director Rufus Norris during his time at drama school and made his professional stage debut in London's West End in 2007, starring in the play Vernon God Little. His theatre work has been highly praised and he has received nominations such as the 2007 London Newcomer of the Year in the whatsunstage.com Theatre Goers' Choice Awards. He has continued to perform in various theatre productions and made his national theatre debut in 2018. Morgan filmed Waiting for You from May to June 2015. In April 2016, Morgan portrayed the Duke of Blackwood in the Snow White and the Huntsman spin-off The Huntsman Winter's War. In the fourth quarter of 2016, Morgan filmed the Oscar Wilde biopic The Happy Prince in Bavaria, Germany. In May 2017, Morgan played the title role in Benjamin, a film written and directed by Simon Anstel. In 2021, Morgan appeared in Kenneth Branagh's film Belfast, based on the director's childhood during the Troubles. The film was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Picture. In 2022, he appeared in the film Courgettes, which was shortlisted for the Academy Award for Best International Feature Film as a submission from Austria. In 2022, he completed filming on Long Day's Journey into Night, an adaptation of Eugene O'Neill's 1956 play. The independent production faced financing challenges. Upcoming films include Long Day's Journey into Night as Edmund Tyrone, One Night Only as Earl Clancy, and Heartless. He also starred in the short The Laughing King 2016 to raise mental health awareness.